Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mother.
What will you be doing today? Those in the back are random things that are going to Goodwill. We have been cleaning, getting rid of stuff which needed to happen before the churchyard sales, but it didn't. So it happened this week. We got a lot of stuff cleaned and organized this week, getting ready for foster care. And with all the baby stuff coming in, it has left me with not as much room for other stuff. So that is technically our craft rolling tub, and there simply is nowhere to put it. I woke up this morning and I thought it was Thursday, but it's not. It's Friday. It's work day, and I thought it was Thursday. I don't know why in my mind. I laid there for a second and thought, oh, we're just so off with all of our days with how busy the summer is. So today is my last day at work before we're gone on missions trip. So I have a lot to get done today, not only for work, but just stuff prepping for missions trip. Just a few little things that I do. But yeah, mostly getting work done and getting some stuff organized from Vacation Bible Adventure. So yeah, that dream of it being Thursday, I think it's because I was locked in the bathroom all day yesterday. I don't remember what happened to Thursday. I was locked in the bathroom.
Okay. This is gonna be the last time, I promise. No matter how it turns out, it's done. It's almost done, you can see. It's pretty even. Just a little more here and there, and it's finished. No more time lapses of Trailer Swift. She's gonna be the ugly younger sister of Vanessa, no matter what. Actually, older sister, by a lot. Anyway, more time lapse. That's a wrap. No matter how it turns out, it is done. I'm done painting it. And it is already light years beyond what it was with the two-tone brown, the wood and stuff, and the faded Kent Christian Center lettering. So I'm happy with it, and it's gonna be good to go, and hopefully it stays together on our way down to San Francisco. I hope. I really, really hope. Speaking of San Francisco, I've got some phone calls to go make. Yay!
Being gone for a week definitely leads to some extra planning ahead of time. So today I have been working on getting stuff done not only for this Sunday but the following Sunday, and getting teachers all lined up for when I'm gone to visit my grandparents. So yeah, this morning has been a lot of trying to line up everything for when I'm gone. VBA continues, huh, Cass?
It does.
The window's behind you. You have to do setup, tear down, and now you're getting all the bat paraphernalia down.
It's never ending.
Never ending.
There's always stuff.
Always a project.
Always a project. It's true.
You ready for missions trip, Cass?
I am. I'm excited.
Are you excited?
I am. I think it'll be very, very good.
I am too.
We have 13 people.
Yeah.
going.
This is the weirdest thing though, that they're all veterans.
Yeah,
We've never had a year that it's all
There's no
veterans,
one
which is
new.
cool. I wish we could have got a couple new, but
Yeah, but it's okay.
yeah.
Yeah. And Johnny's coming.
I know, I'm so
Chuck, can
excited.
you give me the hammer, please?
Trailer's all done. Washed the windows in this van, and there are a lot of windows in this van. I mean, probably the same number as many other vans, but just the scale, the surface area of the windows is a bit more than it usually is. My wife is actually laughing at me and mocking me while I'm vlogging in the van, as she's in front going blah, 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 blah. And I think she's about to record. Are vloggers allowed to mock each other?
Show Josh sitting talking to himself in Vanessa. Blah 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 blah, but you can't see him. I see you talking to yourself.
I am. I'm about to go get gas.
Have fun.
Yes, it will be loads of fun. Love you.
Love you, bye. Wendy's is the best at making my burger, Cass. They give me Wendy's is the best at making my lettuce burger. They give me lots of lettuce, and that is valuable to me.
I'm feeling a bit squashed over here.
Trying to get not hit in the parking lot, or whatever it is that Dutchie's Daily says. Going over to do the announcement video. Hopefully it won't take too long. Workday's almost done, which is good because I'm going to go home and rest.
Okay, let's see. I have 1 week's bulletin done. Now I have to do the other week's bulletin. I got all my kids' church spots filled except Uno for one of our younger kids' class, and I got a missions chore chart done and Devo chart. Now, ministry tip 492. It is awesome to do a chore chart when you're going on a missions trip or camp. My girls have grown up with it and they know it, and it keeps things clean, because who wants to live in disgusting filth? And if you don't make a chore chart, then it's kind of like, hey, can someone do this? Hey, can someone do this? And a lot of times a few of the students end up doing most of the work, but this way it's all spread evenly and they know way ahead of time who's doing what. And we also have one person do devotions in the morning and one student do devotions in the evening. And so it gives them a heads up on when their day is going to be for their devotions. So yeah, chore chart is awesome.
They follow. Hi.
What?
What?
Oh, you're videoing.
Live long and prosper.
My kids are here. I was just informed that Javon beat his new record, or his old record, on his speed cube that he found.
Wait, yeah, that's my old speed cube. It's been so long I forgot its name. Diane Zanchi.
Compared to his Rubik's cube.
Which was faster action, but
They both look like cubes to me.
way better. Way better. Anyway, my old one was...
His old record was 22 minutes. He's down to 10.
Dad.
He's down to 10 minutes and 12 seconds.
Yeah. My old record was 1 minute and 17 seconds.
There you go.
My new record is finally under a minute at 49.9 seconds.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I couldn't finish
Because the last time...
9.9 years.
Because I got that old record... I got that old record using the beginner's method or the layer by layer method with my Zanchi. Then I lost my Zanchi, then only had the Rubik's Cube, and then I had
Cough.
and then during the Rubik's Cube I was
It sounded like I said a word.
yeah, it was weird. Then I learned the Friedrich method on my old Rubik's Cube, and that got me about the same time as I could do the beginner's method on the Diane Zanchi. But then once I applied the Friedrich method to the Diane Zanchi,
Friedrich.
I was able to take about 20 seconds off.
Tell you
That's a
what, that
lot.
Friedrich method.
That C-fob.
That C-fob.
So we're gonna see Ensenada.
So that's how easy love can
We
be.
might. We just might.
A, B, C.
We haven't seen Ensenada in a long time.
1, 2, 3.
And my kids have not met any of their other aunts on my side of the family.
I've met Victoria.
Did you guys meet Victoria?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
once
Yeah, you did meet Victoria.
at Mummel's, and she brought those little crispy, crunchy things with the layer in the middle.
Oh, you're right.
What?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I remember.
But then
Her and
there's
those delicious snacks.
5 other sisters you haven't met yet. 4 other sisters you haven't met yet.
How many sisters do you have?
Total of 6.
I thought you had like 7.
6. 5 biological sisters.
I thought you had 6.
See, I
And
thought
1 adopted.
we all thought you had 7,
No.
sister. That changes everything.
And 1 adopted brother.
So who's that one imaginary person that I must thought have been real?
Couldn't tell you. Harmony, melody, rhapsody, symphony, and sonata. I was always teased when I was younger that if I was born a little later, it would have been Beethoven or jazz. I'm glad I was born when I was born.
Jazz balls.
This is my dad, Pastor Beethoven. Von Boggs.
This is my dad, Pastor Jazz, aka Smooth.
Hey, I'm Pastor Jazz. Thanks for coming out today.
It's like, that sounds like
This
you'd be on,
service
like,
is gonna be really smooth.
that sounds like you'd be on like the 80s MTV. I don't know why.
I want my MTV. See, now that's what was on 80s MTV.
Yeah, but your voice though.
Dire Straits.
That voice though.
That's the way you do it. Play the guitar on the MTV. I shall return shortly.
You're gonna leave us here. We're never gonna come back.
You know what time it is.
Wow.
Wait, no,
Totally
let's just be
blocking
dead silent. Just dead silent.
No, we've already done that.
I know. Let's do it again.
Okay. Talk
No,
time with Reagan.
no. Okay, I'll point at both of us, but we both have to just stare at the camera and be dead silent.
No.
Yes.
On the beautiful day in Seattle.
Reagan.
As James
Reagan.
is being a
Reagan.
complete dorko.
Reagan.
Like he always is. Okay, it's back to only audio.
One sec. I'm just gonna use the force to open the door real quick. Ready? Wait, first I want to unlock the door. Now I'm about to use the force. Come! The force.
Really?
I also used the force mind trick on him to buy us drinks.
Strawberry lemonade.
Thank you.
Wanted something a little refreshing. One of those is mine.
What? I thought all 3 of them were mine.
You're cute, but not that cute.
Looks like I
There's a
hurt.
spoon on the side of our house.
There's a spoon on the side of our house. Free spoon!
I'm guessing Mandy or Javon were mowing and found it in the yard and just stuck it up there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember that now.
Maybe you should take it inside.
Maybe I should.
We're gonna have a race with his old cube, his old speed cube that I bought him.
My old cube.
Yeah, well, his
Rubik's
Rubik's
Cube.
cube speed cube,
Rubik.
and I'm gonna use the Diane Zanchi.
And he's gonna use one of the best cubes in the world.
Yes, and we're gonna see who can finish first. Are you ready? Okay, inspect. And I'm only gonna use one hand because I'm holding a camera. On your mark, get set, go.
Just so funny. This thing is so bad. This thing is so bad.
Boom.
You cheater.
I won. It's on video.
You cheater.
Oh,
You cheater.
oopsie.
He turned it like 6 times.
So? Oh, this thing just flies out. He is very skilled at the cubing, though.
Not with this thing. Why don't we
With
try
either
the
of them.
same solution this time? The same salt mix?
I don't know Frederick. I never met him.
What?
Loser. All right, I'm done.
Josh headed home, picked up the kids. I had to stay and get extra work done. But he has been out in the sun painting Trailer Swift, and he is doing really, really great with his MS. However, the heat does affect him, and today's the first day that I saw it really affect him this summer because it wasn't hot, but it was warm, and when you're out painting. So he went home and is resting after he showered. He said, so I'm going to go ahead and do our sign off. So from my car to your home or wherever you're watching, thanks for liking, subscribing, sharing. We really have had fun, and I can't even believe we're on over 100 episodes now. So we're about to hit our next adventure, which is our San Fran missions trip. See you there.